Easy Crew back once again with another video. I know it's been a minute, guys, but I've been really exhausted and busy with work, doing all the printing and stuff, so it's really taken a toll on my creativity. I've had to rest up for a bit. Also just recovered from some sort of bug that was going about as well, so that weren't really helping either. But yeah, just a quick heads up to say we're going to do some Dubplate wars tonight. Just checking in, more likely about 8:30 tonight. Going to get straight to it. For those who don't know what Dubplate wars is, it's a competition where you guys tune in and vote on your favourite tracks to win. People send me the tracks in. Guys, you want to send your tracks in, send them to the busybscience@gmail.com. Also, I wanted to say a big shout to Laser Drone Recordings. Laser Drone Recordings have sent me a bit of vinyl. They've given me a shout on it as well. Track entitled Intergalactic Volume 2, Paul Renegade, Multiverse, and DJ Rage and EQ. Now give me a shout on that. Look at that purple vinyl. Beautiful. Comment down below if you want to hear a clip of that, and maybe I'll upload it, maybe do some vinyl reviews, etc., because I've got quite a few vinyls that people have sent me. And yeah, holler at your boy, if you've got something coming out of vinyl, you want me to push it out there for you and let the massives know about it, then yeah, send it to me. Anyway, peeps, last thing I wanted to quickly say is let me know what type of videos you want to see forthcoming. Do you want to see more Akai videos? Do you want to see more Renoise videos? Do you want to see more Logic videos? Let me know. Akai tips and tricks perhaps, or if maybe you want to pop a question down below, let me know. I'll come back, read the comments, and I'll give somebody a big shout out for the best comment. Alright guys, speak to you soon and catch you tonight on tonight's show, 8:30 starting ish. Yeah, peace out.